Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? I am at a client's property. I have to bring you through here, and I have to tell you this. I have seen in years and years of buying distressed property, a lot of properties that are businesses where someone runs an illegal business and they try to create something to make money that's totally illegal, that's unlicensed, and that's not zoned correctly. This is a combination of all those things. And these houses always make me smile because the creativity that goes into people and how they create business always interests me. I think you guys are gonna love this. We have not done a house like this ever on the channel. I promise you, this is going to be worth the time to watch it. Let's head on in. We'll take it one by one. There is a ton to unpack here. Guys, if you want to buy houses like this and turn them into great Section 8 rentals, send me an email in the description below. We'll get started. Also, join my Discord group. Over 100 clients currently in there, and it's the best concentration of Section 8 real estate investors in one place who are actually doing what you're trying to do. So hit the link below. But guys, come on in. Let's unpack this. There's a lot to talk about. So as we walk in, you think that this house is gonna start just like any other house, where we're in a kitchen, okay? It's beat up, it's nasty, it's dirty, there's water damage on the ceilings, there's moisture, it smells bad, but it slowly turns into something else. So as we walk off the kitchen, we kind of get redirected in a bunch of different ways here. Now, all the flooring has been recently ripped up, okay? There is a big bathroom right here with a double sink. Big bathroom, shower, closet. There was some kind of floor over here. You can see the glue that was originally over that tile. That has since been ripped up as well. And then off of this room right here, we get the first thing that raises an eyebrow. And when you come in here, what you'll see is a hot tub. Okay, so we have a hot tub in here that actually still has water in it. Pretty nasty. To go along with our hot tub in the house, we have pink ceiling fans, which I have to say is a first. And we have dark light bulbs. Okay, guys, so these are black lights. So as soon as you turn this fan on, where I don't believe that, I don't think that they're working. They're not, and I'm not touching those pulls, those drawstrings. But we got water damage. We got probably a big hole in the roof. Water's coming down in here. Okay. We have the beautiful tropical island. So when you're in the hot tub, you can feel like you're on the beach with the black lights on hitting you. I know that's always what I want on vacation, is to be covered in a black light in a hot tub in the middle of nowhere. So let's keep walking, okay? So many just horrific code violations here with the electrical wires running from the ceiling that are exposed, leading us to our hot tub. In here, guys, we have a broken ladder to the attic. We also have the jankiest door lock I think I might have maybe ever seen. Bunch of stripped electrical, bunch of cut cables. Whole thing here is just absolutely rigged up so bad. This is terrible. This entire thing's gonna have to be redone. You have exterior wires here. All that should be behind the wall running into the panel, and then all the wiring itself is a nightmare. I'm not going to touch any of it, of course, because the power is on here for some reason. Okay, guys, back through the hot tub room. We are going to go into a bedroom here. Okay, it's dark, got no lights on in here, so let's go back out and we'll go in from another angle. But back into that main room where we started, okay? So as we continue on, we have another kind of waiting area room. There used to be a TV up on the wall right there. So not quite sure what this room used to be, but it's got a closet. Originally at one point it was a bedroom. Okay, we got a closet right here. And then coming in here, again guys, we have what used to be a bedroom. Big bathroom, okay? Big bathroom, just disgustingly dirty. You don't even go in there. Again, guys, with the black lights on the ceiling fan, okay? Moving forward, we come to the rear of the house, which is a big open room. At one point was a bathroom. I'm sorry. Really, this whole place is a bathroom now, but this was a bedroom, and you can see private on the door, and then what looks like maybe at one point an office with an exterior door and a lock, okay? So this might have been the front of the house. Again, guys, very, very strange with the color schemes. It has pink carpets, pink walls, and then as we come into here, this is one of the funniest things I've seen in a while. So guys, check out this shower, okay? Now the shower here, all stone. All right.
Goodness. It's got bamboo.
Yep, we have bamboo on the top. But here's the funniest thing, guys. So that isn't a toilet. That is a bidet. So that is only for cleaning. That's actually not a functional toilet. So I don't think the people that knew that put it in here knowing that. And God only knows what's happened in that poor thing.
Let's get out of this room.
So ridiculous, just ridiculous. But it gets even better. So coming back through this room, we have this, we have a door that was covered up right here with a cooling unit. So the cooling unit, whatever's right here, on the other side of this is what's going to be cooled, right? So actually, I'm sorry, for this room, it's a cooling unit for this room here, but there's actually another one on the other side. So come over here. We come back into here. And the first thing I noticed when I came into this room, aside from just the fact that it's a disaster and I'm trying to, we're walking through here with our contractors and they are just outside laughing still, but sand. And I'm thinking, okay, why is there sand in this unit? Okay? So we keep walking, and I'm wondering what's happening in here. And then I hit the Mecca. Welcome to the beach, everybody. We have a beach-themed strip club where we have a pole right here, a pole right there. We have a platform. There are windows with screens on them, and I'll show you when we leave, but windows that have been built here to view, okay? And everything here is on sand. I mean, we have to be right now on anywhere between 7 and 8 inches of sand. Literally. God only knows what I'd find if I dug through here. But there is a closet right here with sand in there. There's bamboo on these metal window covers that are really, they're barred doors that are just placed over the windows. And then we have our tropical leaf ceiling fan.
How?
We have our tropical painting of palm trees. We have a mirror here, so our performer can see themselves in the mirror. Before we started this video, your filmographer Kyle was on this. Mm-hmm. We have our disco ball.
Disco ball just is.
Look at that.
That is
so
mesmerizing.
Right next to Nice big hole in the ceiling. So very, very unique, guys. I have to say, not what I was expecting when I came here. This is actually terrific. What is this, actually? This is also a light. So it does all different kinds of lights: reds, green, orange, yellow, blues, and it constantly changes. And what happens is you turn it and you face it this way. But I do want to show you guys one more thing before we take off. And this is the ingenuity, guys. But if you come back through here, so then afterwards, of course, I noticed something else. This window right here, it was blocked like this. You open it up, and there's your view. Okay, unbelievable. And guys, if this doesn't get you romantic about real estate investing, I don't know what will. This is the thing that I love. I love coming to properties like this. You never know what you're gonna see. You can't expect this stuff. It's absolutely crazy. This is so much fun. Again, guys, we're not even gonna buy this. We can't buy this. This is absurd. It needs too much work. It's a disaster. I don't even know how we're gonna start in that room. I mean, it's just a pain. We're not gonna buy it, but I had to do a video to show you guys that this stuff is out there, okay? The asking price on this was $40,000, 40. And you could probably tell why. But guys, thanks for watching. If you wanna buy stuff like this, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started, and we'll see you next time.